How to fix non-trading symbol available, and you can see the non-trading symbol in your Tradingview website or on the application. For this, if you are on the web page of Tradingview and if you have logged into your profile but you're facing the error called not selling or any type of error on your website or on your application, like how you can do it. Firstly, what you can do is simply sign into your account and you can delete the page you were working. And after that, what we have to do is mainly refresh our website or laptop. Then I will click on my Wi-Fi network connection to check that if I'm getting the full and good Wi-Fi network connection, because these error only occurs whenever your network connection is down or you're facing any issue with performance of your PC. So you can refresh your PC here, and I have already connected my Wi-Fi again and again. Then here you can see there is a start button. What you have to do is click on the start button, and then you should try to restart your PC. After that, all of things, you should run a tree command on your PC and then let it be refreshed again. So this is all about the video, how you can solve any type of error happening on any website. You should firstly delete the tab, refresh your PC and then start again. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.